Hello, Capricorn people, from May 16th to 31st, 2025. The stars are guiding you toward growth in communication, relationships, and practical goals. Let's explore how you can make the most of this structured yet dynamic energy. This period highlights your ability to connect and share ideas. Saturn, your ruling planet, supports thoughtful communication, whether it's expressing yourself clearly or strengthening bonds with loved ones. Around May 18th to 20th, Mercury aligns with Jupiter, bringing opportunities for networking, travel, or learning something new. Trust your wisdom. Others will value your insight. Mid-month also encourages you to focus on partnerships. Collaborations thrive under this influence, so address any lingering issues with honesty and patience. If single, a meaningful connection may arise through shared goals or mutual respect. Couples should prioritize teamwork and gratitude. As May 25th approaches, Mars energizes your zone of adventure and self-expression. Explore creative projects, plan a trip, or take risks that align with your passions. It's time to step out of your comfort zone while staying grounded. Between May 27th and 31st, Saturn squares Uranus, challenging routines and stability. Balance innovation with practicality when navigating changes. Your discipline will help you find solutions. Remember, Capricorn, your strength lies in perseverance and vision. Use this time to build lasting foundations while embracing moments of joy. Stay focused but flexible. The universe supports your journey toward progress and harmony. Trust yourself. You've got this, Capricorn.